believe we are talking about the line of dance. Talking about the milonga. The whole topic of the practica is how you really handle going into the milongas. Okay? There are three factors in the milonga, which is milonga as a dance, milonga as a music, and milonga as a venue or a place where they dance. Alright? So maybe sometimes it's on how you address the milonga. How you use the word